Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you something really useful in Excel. It's called Power Query. Don't worry if the name sounds a bit technical, but I'll promise we are going to keep it simple. Just think of Power Query, a smart helper inside the Excel that can clean up and organize your data so you don't have to do it manually. Let's see what is Power Query. Before we jump in, let me quickly explain what is Power Query. Normally, when we bring data into Excel, maybe from another file or from a website or even from a messy sheet, the data doesn't always look neat. It can have extra columns, empty rows, or things we don't want. Power Query is like a kitchen where you take all your raw ingredients, your data, and you prepare it the way you like. You can cut off the extra stuff, clean it up, and then send back to Excel sheet all nice and ready. And the best part is, once you set up, you don't need to do it again. Next time when your data updates, Power Query can repeat all cleaning steps automatically. Now let's see where we can find the Power Query. In newer versions of Excel, Power Query is built right into Data tab. So on the top ribbon, click Data. You will see an option called Get and Transform Data. That's the Power Query. If you are using an older version of Excel like 2010 or 2013, you might need to install it as an add-in, but most of you will already have it. Now let's learn how to import data, where the practical starts. I'll go to Data, New Query, from File, from Workbook. Here I'll select an Excel file that has some sample data. When I open it, Excel shows me a preview and asks, do you want to load this data directly or transform it first? If you just click load, the data will come into Excel as it is. But if you click transform data, that's where the Power Query opens and we can clean it before loading it. Now let's explore Power Query window. Don't get scared of the new window. It looks a bit different, but it's very simple once you know where to look. On the left side, you see your queries. That's basically the data sources you brought in. In the middle, you see actual data preview. And on the right, you will see something called applied steps. This is where Power Query records everything you do, step by step. If you delete a column or filter rows, Power Query saves the action for you. Now let's do some transformation. Here I can see my data. Maybe we don't need the address column. Just right click on the column and choose remove. Done. Change column name. Double click on the column heading and type the name as you want. Filter some rows. Click drop down arrow on a column and filter just like an Excel. Remove empty rows. Go to Home tab and click remove blank rows. You see, everything is so easy, and remember, all these steps are being recorded on the right hand side. Now let's see what is loading data back to Excel. Once we are happy with the changes, we just need to send the data back to Excel. On the top left, click close and load. And now the cleaned up data appears neatly in a new Excel sheet. From now on, if your source data changes, maybe new rows are added or some values are updated, you don't have to repeat all the cleaning. Just right click on the table and choose refresh. Power Query will automatically redo all steps for you. This was just a simple introduction, but Power Query can do a lot more, like combining multiple files, merging tables, and even connecting to databases. But for now, I would recommend just practicing these basics: import, clean, and load. Once you are comfortable, you will love how much time Power Query saves for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you in the next video.